Hey everyone, I got this washbag set from the brand Rixtec, so let's check it out. This is a set of 3 washbag, MRP is 249 and I got it from Amazon for 178. The purchase link is given in the description box. And inside the pack there is a handwritten thank you note, and in this set you get 3 different size, large, medium and small. One pouch is inside the other and third is inside that. These are sky blue pouches and the material is PVC, quite lightweight, and it is semi-transparent, so you can easily tell what is kept inside. It has a zipper and the zipper is smooth. It opens and closes easily. In the large bag you can keep bigger items like body wash, skincare lotion, soap, and it has 2 hanging straps. And the medium bag is good for your daily toiletries. Your toothpaste, toothbrush, face wash, comb can easily fit in it. And the small bag is very convenient to keep your cosmetic, lipstick, hairpin and small medicines. And in the medium and the small bag there is one loop to carry. If you're a frequent traveler you must have it, and for 178 it's a must buy product. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.